To define which clients a user account in your client structure is permitted to access, call up the desired user via User Management. Then click on the Control Client Access icon. By activating the switch, you can determine whether a user is granted access to all clients or only to specific clients. If the switch is active, all clients in your client structure can be accessed. With this setting, you also automatically gain access to clients created in the future. If the switch is deactivated, the clients to which a user should have access must be selected manually. Newly created clients in future must be subsequently approved for users if necessary. By selecting the flag icon, you can specify a client to which the user automatically switches after logging in. Finally, save your settings.